ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് സഹകരണ സർവീസ് ബോർഡ് നടത്തുന്ന പ്രൊമോഷൻ ടെസ്റ്റിന്റെ സിലബസിനെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള വീഡിയോ ആണ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ചാനൽ ആദ്യമായി കാണുന്നവരാണെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ കൂടുതൽ പേരിലെത്തിക്കാനായി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. പ്രൊമോഷൻ ടെസ്റ്റ്, പോസ്റ്റ്, അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് സെക്രട്ടറി, മാനേജർ ആൻഡ് equivalent post in primary cooperative societies with deposit of above ₹10 course and assistant secretary in PCA RDB. ജനറൽ അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേഷൻ 15 മാർക്കിന്റെ ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ്. കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ഗവേണൻസ്, റൂറൽ എക്കണോമിക്സ് ആൻഡ് റൂറൽ ഡെവലപ്മെന്റ്, administration of cooperative departmental setup at state, district and taluk level, identification of training needs, role of NCUI, KSCU and circle cooperative unions, NCCT and NCCE, division making, steps in decision making process, problem solving and decision making, planning, delegation, basics of internal communication, designing the organization and staff employee performance management, setting goals, supporting employee motivation, observing and giving feedback, conducting performance appraisal, personal policies, personal management, office administration, manual of office procedures, profit and profitability, balance sheet analysis, profit and loss account analysis, profitability, productivity and efficiency analysis of final accounts, profit and planning and development action plan, types of cooperative structures, vertical versus horizontal cooperative organization structure, relevance of professional management, budget, budgeting and budgetary control, 3-tier versus 2-tier cooperative credit structure, types of credit societies, management and accounting, cooperative management concept, meaning, definition, unique features, structure of cooperative organization and management, essential management functions, planning, organizing, directing and controlling, its applicability in cooperatives, democracy, direct and indirect democracy, decision making in cooperatives, types of decision, steps in decision making, management structure, role and responsibilities of general body, role of board of directors, role of president, role of secretary, general manager, functions and duties, human resource management, HR policies, procedures, resource to manage in cooperative people, capital facilities, core skills in management and supervision, major tasks and issues in cooperative management, financial management, personal management, accounting and auditing of cooperatives, books and registers to be maintained, closing of accounts, power of registrar to direct accounts and books to be written up, statements and returns to be filed, posting in ledgers, general ledger, trial balance, transfer entries, adjustments and closing of nominal accounts, outstanding accounts, interest receivable and payable, expenses prepaid, deferred revenue expenditure, profit and loss account, principles governing its preparation, revenue account and income and expenditure account, preparation of balance sheet, verification of asset and liabilities, valuation of asset from balance sheet, fixed asset, floating current asset, vesting asset, valuation of goodwill, patents, trademarks, copyright, plant and machinery, freehold land, leasehold property, motor vehicle, furniture and fixtures, verification and valuation of current asset, verification of mortgage deeds and term board cases, stock in trade, sundry debtors, loans and outstanding, preparation of financial ratios, current ratio, asset test ratio, property ratio, capital employed ratio, stock turnover ratio, debtors turnover ratio, creditors ratio, gross profit ratio, net profit ratio. Investment management, fluid resources, cash management, cash in transit, current account balance, demand and time liabilities, net demand and time liability, asset liability management, liquidity management, spread management, maximizing the spread by reducing the exposure to cyclical rates and stabilize earnings, gap management, balancing the gap between interest sensitive assets and interest sensitive liabilities by distributing the assets and liabilities into various time buckets. NABARD's CAMEL's credit rating of cooperative banks, risk management, credit risk, liquidity risk, and interest rate risk cost, cash and fund management to maximize spread, leadership styles and function, communication, team building, motivation, time and stress management, organization behavior, individual behavior, group dynamics and leadership, conflict resolution, recovery management, arbitration, execution, compromise and settlement, prudential norms, income recognition, asset classification, provisioning norms, capital adequacy norms, countermeasures, customer relationship management. ബാങ്കിങ് മാർക്സ് 25 ലീഗൽ ആസ്പെക്ട്സ് ഓഫ് ബാങ്കിങ് ഓപ്പറേഷൻ NI Act BR Act ബാങ്കർ കസ്റ്റമർ റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് റെസ്പോൺസിബിലിറ്റി ഓഫ് പേയിങ് ബാങ്കർ ആൻഡ് കളക്ടിംഗ് ബാങ്കർ rural banking different dimension of rural banking various scheme and programs introduced for rural development controlling authorities in rural banking basic features of rural economy financial services in the rural areas, priority sector, lending, housing and education loans, Kisan credit card, microcredit and SHG, opening, operation and closing of deposit accounts, different deposit products, cost, core, portion and interest rate risk, time and demand deposit, know your customer norms, AML and CFT, bankers right of land set off and appropriation indemnities and bank guarantees, mandate and power of attorney, creation of charge and satisfaction of charge, laws relating to securities, valuation of securities, mode of charging securities, land pledge mortgage, hypothecation, credit management, loans and advances, concept, terms and conditions, refinance, exposure limits, appraisal standards, demand loan and term loan documentation, Gahan loan policy and procedure, personal loan, recovery management, investment management, supervision and regulation, opening of branches, supervisory and regulatory control, branch profitability, gross financial margin risk cost, net financial margin, income management cost, NCT margin, SWOT analysis, internal check and internal audit, role of RCS and director of audit, distribution of profit, statutory, reserve and free reserve, reserves and provision, Income Tax Act, Goods and Sales Tax Act, Central Bank functions, monetary and credit policy, supervision and regulation, financial stability, bank rate, repo rate, reverse repo rate, guidelines, circular of Register of Cooperative Societies, software application, mark 15. Introduction to information technology, banking technology, application and management, information system, security control and audit, introduction to software, networking system, database management system, data warehousing and data mining, desk operating system, Microsoft Windows, Linux, word processing, virtual basic fundamentals, applications, Tally, electronic clearing and settlement system, placing money, RTGS, NEFT, computer security and communication security, information system audit, disaster management, other allied subject, Mars 5, deposit insurance and credit guarantee, Co-operation, Deposit Guarantee Scheme, Risk Fund Scheme, Member Relief Fund Scheme, Cooperative Societies Employees Self-Financing Pension Scheme, 1994 Pension Fund, Pension, Kerala Cooperative Ombudsman Scheme, Banking Ombudsman, LIC Linked Group Gratuity Scheme, Kerala Cooperative Welfare and Development Scheme, Kerala State Cooperative Agent Welfare Scheme 2001, Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act, 97th Constitutional Amendment, Co-operative Employees Welfare Board, Depositors Awareness Fund, Kerala State Co-operative Agricultural and Rural Development Bank Act, 1984, KIMB, KICMA, CAPE, ICM, ACSTI, GST, Income Tax, etc., TDS, Kerala Co-operative Societies Act and Rules and Other Laws, March 20, Bylaws, Amendment of Bylaws, Membership in Societies, Qualification and Disqualification, Removal and Expulsion from Membership, Rights and Privileges of Members, Management of Co-operative Societies, General Body Meeting, Election and Removal of President, Supersession and Constitutional Breakdown, Administrator and Administrative Committee. Privileges of cooperative societies. First, charge of societies, charge on land, movable and immovable properties, deduction from salary, exemption from certain taxes, fees, duties, and compulsory registration. State aid to cooperatives, properties and funds, disposal of net profit, statutory and free reserves, reserves and provision, own funds and borrowed funds, working fund and working capital, provident fund, gratuity, etc. Audit, inspection and inquiry. Surcharge, attachment before award and judgment. Settlement of disputes, execution of awards, insured cooperative banks, establishment, KSR applicable to cooperatives, appeals, revision, review by tribunal, appeal and revision by RCS and government, offence and penalties, cooperative unions, cooperative service examination board. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. ചാനൽ തുടർന്നും ലഭിക്കാൻ ചാനൽ ആദ്യമായി കാണുന്നവരാണെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ വീഡിയോ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ കൂടുതൽ പേരിലെത്തിക്കാനായി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി.